Okay, so this is our LG dishwasher, okay? This is 4K 60 HDR. Unplug my headphones. So, it's got 1, 2, 3 racks. That right there in the center is the filter. Okay? Clean filters to maintain performance. Use citrus acid and powder. I just use hot water from the laundry room sink. Anyways, let's turn it on. So, you see that? That's the night dry. You press and hold this. It's off. Night dry will keep the fan running, so, which is good. And you see how here it says machine clean? Press and hold it. It's about an hour and 22 minutes. Now, normal, okay? It's about 2 hours, right? That's what you usually use, but it doesn't clean well. If I press and hold it, rinse for 12 minutes. Turbo, with night dry on, it's about an hour. If I press and hold it for 3 seconds, it goes to 34 minutes. 34 minutes. If I turn off night dry, still 34 minutes. Right? So we usually just keep it on heavy and high temp. So yeah. No. And that's it. Peace. Bye.